AI, short for artificial intelligence, is a topic that has been on the minds of many of us for years now. It's often seen as an object of fear, with people worried about what AI might do to the human race. But there are many of us who see it as a way to make our life easier and more efficient. So, can we trust AI? In this video, we will try to answer this very important question. But before we proceed, please subscribe to this channel, comment below, and hit the notification button to be notified once a new video is uploaded. Your support is highly appreciated. The world of AI is rapidly expanding, with new innovations and breakthroughs happening every day. AI is changing the way we live our lives in many ways and has the potential to be a game changer for many industries. Some of the benefits of AI are that it can take on repetitive tasks, it can handle tasks that are complex and require human intelligence, and it can help humans make decisions. AI is already being used in many industries such as healthcare, education, finance, law enforcement, and transportation. The next generation of AI is expected to do more than just provide insights and suggestions. It will be able to make decisions for us in a way that is more accurate than ever before. This might sound scary, but it could also have some very positive consequences too. Like when AI helps doctors diagnose patients who have rare diseases, or when an AI detects a person in trouble and alerts them or the authorities in time to prevent a crime from happening. Well, AI has the potential to do a lot of good for society, but there are also many risks associated with the technology. Some people worry about what will happen if AI becomes too powerful and can make decisions on its own without human interference. Other people worry about how AI can be used as a weapon, such as in warfare. Other challenges of AI include the lack of ethics. We need to make sure that AI is not being used for evil purposes. AI is also not perfect and it has its flaws, which can lead to biasness. There are many cases where AI has been found biased towards certain races, genders, and other social identities. There is also the issue of privacy. We need to ensure that AI does not invade our privacy or violate our rights as humans. So can we trust AI? Well, the idea of AI taking over the world is not new, but the idea that humans will be able to control it is. It's not just about being able to control it, but also being able to understand how it works and what its limitations are. We need to trust AI if we want it to trust us back. Well, first and foremost, we need to make sure that we are not only aware of the risks that AI poses, but we also need to be able to address these risks. We should be careful not to create a future where we are all working for robots and AI beings. There are many ways in which we can address these risks. 1. We can work on having a clear understanding of what AI is and what it is capable of, so that we know how it will affect us in the future. 2. We can work on creating laws and regulations around AI, so that there is some accountability for their actions. 3. We can also limit who has access to certain types of information so as not to put anyone at risk. Finally, AI will continue to make our lives better. It is becoming more and more integrated into our lives with every passing day. It is hard to predict what the future will hold for AI, but it is safe to say that it will continue to grow and evolve. AI has the potential to help us solve many of the world's most pressing problems, including controlling pandemics, poverty, climate change, and hunger. The future of AI is bright, and we should not worry about it too much. AI will help us get better at everything we do and make our lives easier in many ways. The only thing that we should worry about is how to prepare for this change and how to handle it when it happens. There is no doubt that AI will pose some ethical dilemmas in the future, and we need to look at how to manage these risks as early as possible. The bottom line is that we need to be aware of these potential risks and work to mitigate them.